Like I had mentioned in a previous demo, Chapter 8 is the bulk of most Photoshop editing work, and that's color adjustments. And one of the fun things to play with is adjustment layers. So I'm going to go to File and Open and show you a really simple environmental effect by going to Chapter 8, 8.3, and I'll take this file, Target Adjust the Sky. I want that sky to be a totally different color. But that's pretty complex. I mean, how do I select the sky in between all these branches? That would be impossible. Okay, so when color is the issue, you don't have to deal with selections. You just deal with adjustments. So the first thing I would always recommend is Command J on a Mac. That's Control J on a PC. Duplicate your photo. Then I'm going to come over here to my adjustments panel. And right here at the top, you have the hue and saturation adjustment. This is one of the most powerful adjustment layers you can use, and I'll show you why. When you click on it, you have this little hand pointer. This is called your target adjustment tool. Okay, I'm going to click on that, and it actually works two ways. If you come out and target your color and you click and drag to the right, it's going to move your saturation slider to the right, like this. See? It just bumped my saturation to the right. But let's say I wanted my sky to be a totally different color, not red. On a Mac, I would hold my Command key. On a PC, I would hold my Control key. And that's going to change the hue slider. So now when I hold my Command key on my Mac and I click and drag left or right, it will totally change the color of that sky completely as well. So that's kind of a nice feature to have here in Photoshop. Complex color changes with minimal effort on my part as the artist. And that's it. Okay, just know that on your adjustments panel, your hue and saturation is probably the one I'm going to go to more than anything else because of that target adjustment tool. It's one of the most powerful tools in Photoshop, and it has nothing to do with your toolbox. You just got to know it's kind of hidden inside here. But once you know that, you're going to be able to do some awesome color editing in the future. And that's it. File menu. Save a copy, last name, first name, target the sky. On my desktop, as a JPEG, always 8 or high quality, and color adjustments should be no problem. You're on your way. See you in the next demo.